This is page number 152, sum number 11, Tara, Chandra, Surya. Now there are three partners and they are admitting one partner. That means ये पहला सम है जिसमें हम लोग चार पार्टनर के लिए चार कॉलम्स बनाएंगे. T, C, S, A, Tara, Chandra, Surya and Akash. Balance sheet on 31st of March 2018 is given below. Akash is given 1/4 of share in profits and losses. पहला काम adjustment reading and tick marking. Motor car is taken over by Chandra. Tick mark on motor car. Furniture revalue. Tick mark on furniture. Goodwill नहीं है. Unrecorded debtors नहीं. Expenses incurred but not paid नहीं है. Akash brings 60,000 in cash as his capital. Okay. So पहला काम हम लोग अंधा आदमी लाल लाल कपड़ों को रोज चमकाना कर देते हैं. फर्नीचर इज एन असेट. मैं पोस्टिंग कर देता हूं, तुम लोग फटाफट आगे सॉल्व करो, उसके बाद वीडियो भगा भागे देख लेना. फर्नीचर इज एन असेट दैट इज 30,000. मोटर कार इज एन असेट दैट इज 60,000. कैश is cash account to balance brought down. How much cash account? 54,000. Next is Tara's capital. Now see, when the capital is given on the credit side, it is by balance brought down. Credit to credit में आएगा. But when the capital is given on the debit side, it is to balance brought down. Debit में दिया है ना, तो debit में जाएगा. Asset मतलब debit ना, तो debit में दिया है तो debit में जाएगा. So I'll write to balance brought down. तारा का कैपिटल दिया है 27,000. नहीं है ये लोग का क्रेडिट में दिया है बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. तारा का नहीं मालूम है. सूर्या और चंद्रा का 1,05,000. सूर्या का 66,000. After the postings, let's come to the adjustment part. The first adjustment goes this way. The motor car is taken over by Chandra at a value of 75,000. Motor car is taken over by Chandra at a value of 75,000. Now motor car is actually of 60,000, but he is taking at 75,000. Once again, motor car value is 60,000, but he is taking at 75,000. That means what? 15,000 is what? Profit. There is a profit. There is an increase in value. That is 15,000. Now the motor car becomes of 75,000. Now he has taken Chandra's capital. Chandra is taking at 75,000. Okay. Now the motor car will be nil. Hope you understand. Once again, the motor car is of 60,000. He is taking at 75,000. That means the motor car value is increasing first. Then he is taking it. The value is increasing first. Then he is taking it. So first increase the value, then taken over. First increase the value, then taken over. हो भी सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि 60,000 का मोटर का है वो तो 50 में लिया, ऐसा भी हो सकता था. तो फर्स्ट डिक्रीज द वैल्यू देन टेकन ओवर. समझा क्या? मतलब इस एडजस्टमेंट में दो एडजस्टमेंट छुपे हुए हैं, एक इंक्रीज वाला और एक टेकन ओवर वाला. तो इसका एक इफेक्ट तो हो गया, दूसरा इफेक्ट लिखना है डेबिट में ऐड किया डेबिट, दूसरा इफेक्ट क्रेडिट बाय मोटर कार 15,000 एंड चंद्रास कैपिटल में 2 मोटर कार, चंद्रा में 15,000. अरे बराबर, हार्ड के इजी. सो वंस अगेन डेबिट में ऐड किया डेबिट, दूसरा इफेक्ट क्रेडिट, डेबिट में लेस किया क्रेडिट, दूसरा इफेक्ट डेबिट चंद्रा ने ले लिया ना. तो ये फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट क्लियर हो गया. एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 2, फर्नीचर इज रिवैल्यूड एट 54,000. फर्नीचर का वैल्यू बढ़ गया एंड एप्रिसिएशन हाउ मच 24,000. डेबिट में ऐड डेबिट, दूसरा इफेक्ट क्रेडिट बाय फर्नीचर 24,000. आगे चलते हैं. एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3, गुडविल इज रेज्ड एट 1,50,000. गुडविल इज रेज्ड, गुडविल इज रेज्ड, गुडविल इज रेज्ड. गुडविल आएगा, ओल्ड पार्टनर खाएगा, वो नहीं, इसमें डायरेक्ट गुडविल खाएगा. अरे बराबर, गुडविल रेज बोला है तो व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री? गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. कौन से पार्टनर है? तारा, चंद्रा, सूर्या. 1,65,000. इसको डिवाइड करेगा रेशियो में 2:3:1. ओल्ड रेशियो है मेरे बॉस, ये ओल्ड रेशियो. 50,000, 50, 75, 25. हाँ 15, 25. तो टोटल होएगा 1,50,000. गुडविल अकाउंट. तेरे डेबिट में क्या लिखो? 2C 2A 2T 2C 2S 50 75 25 और इन लोग के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट बाय जुडविल 50 75 and 25. Any probs? No probs. We go further. Next adjustment is adjustment number 4 unrecorded debtors. Debtors asset. Debtors asset. Debtors asset. कितना debtors? 33. यहाँ पे डेबिट तो दूसरा इफेक्ट बाय debtors. How much? 33,000. Next adjustment number is 5. Expenses incurred but not paid. Incurred but not paid मतलब outstanding. Expenses outstanding. Liability. Outstanding expenses. How much? 9,000. यहाँ पे क्रेडिट दूसरा इफेक्ट डेबिट टू outstanding expenses. How much? 9,000. Okay. Adjustment number is 6. Akash could bring 60,000 as cash as capital. तो आकाश ने कैपिटल लाया. Entry cash account debit to Akash. 60,000. कैश अकाउंट तेरे डेबिट में क्या लिखूं? टू आकाश 60. आकाश तेरे क्रेडिट में क्या लिखूं? बाय कैश 60. इजी है ना ये एंट्री? लिख के ले लेना एंट्री. तब करो. So with this we complete our problem. With this we complete all the adjustments. Now we shall do the closing work. Okay? So let us do the closing. चलो सबसे पहला we close which account? Your profit and loss adjustment account, that is 33, 48, 68, 72. 72,000 minus 9 is how much? कितना आ रहा है profit? 63,000. किसका? Partners का. TCS Tata Consultancy Services. TCS बोलो 63 को डिवाइड करो. 21 31,500 10,500. Perfecto. Debit. So where it will go? Credit by profit and loss adjustment account. How much? 21,000. 31,500. And this is 10,500. Okay. Now we will close which account? We will close this account. Partners capital account. This is 60,000. This is 60,000. The balance is 60,000. You write to balance, carry it down. Any props? No props. You got this balance. Now we will close which account? S account. The S account, when you see, you will get here 66, 86, 91, 1,06,000. Check the total. Correct? 1,06,000. 10,500. 66, 80, 86, 91. 1,01,500. 1,01,500. Check the total properly first. 1,01,500. The difference is 1,01,500. Okay. Now take this total. Here also this will be more. 1,05,000. 1,80,000. 2,11,500. Very good. 2,11,500. 2,11,500. Subtract 15,000. 2,11,500. This is not 15. This is 75. So 2,11,500 minus 75. 1,36,500. Very good. Take this total also. This is 50. This is 71,000. 71,000. Okay.
44.
This will be 44,000. Yeah, debit. It goes there. It becomes credit. It comes here in the balance sheet. Credit. What you will write? Capital account. You will write TCSA. How much? This is 44,000. This is 1,36,500. This is 1,01,500. This is 60,000. After taking this total, you have to close this account also. This is 1,14,000. 1,14,000. You will get 1,14,000. By balance, यहाँ पे credit तो यहाँ पे debit. This is cash. 1,14,000. Okay. Okay. Now you have to close this account also. This is also open. No, you have to close this also. Total will be 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So here by balance, credit. So goodwill account 1,50,000. Now your sum will tally. Otherwise, how it will tally? You have to close these accounts.